Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a small business owner or a freelancer, you probably heard the terms LLC and S-Corp thrown around a lot. But what do they actually mean? And more importantly, which one can save you more money on taxes? It's a huge question, and today, we're going to break it down, simple and clear, so you can make the best choice for your business. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about what an LLC is. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. The name says it all. It limits your personal liability. This means if your business gets sued or has debts, your personal assets like your house and car are generally protected. It's a fantastic safety net. For tax purposes, a standard single-member LLC is treated as a disregarded entity by the IRS. That S just a fancy way of saying the IRS sees you and your business as one and the same for taxes. All your business profits pass through to your personal tax return, and you pay self-employment taxes, that's Social Security and Medicare, on every single dollar of profit. This is currently 15.3%, which can add up really fast as your business grows. Now, let's look at the S-Corp, which stands for S-Corporation. An S-Corp is not a business structure itself, but a tax election. You can actually have your LLC elect to be taxed as an S-Corp. This is where the magic can happen for tax savings. With an S-Corp, you, as the owner, must be paid a reasonable salary as an employee of your own company. This salary is subject to the same self-employment taxes we just talked about. But here's the key difference. Any profit left over after paying your salary can be taken as a distribution. And guess what? These distributions are not subject to self-employment taxes. That's right, you only pay regular income tax on them. This single distinction can save you thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars every single year. So, how do you decide? Let's compare them side by side. Formation costs are pretty similar. Both require state filing fees, but setting up an S-Corp might involve a little more paperwork since you have to make the tax election with the IRS. The biggest difference, as we've seen, is the tax treatment. An LLC is simpler. All profit is taxed with the 15.3% self-employment tax. An S-Corp splits your income into salary and distributions, potentially saving you a ton on that 15.3% tax. But there are some trade-offs. S-Corps have stricter rules. For example, ownership is limited. You can't have more than 100 shareholders, and those shareholders must be U.S. citizens or residents. LLCs are much more flexible and can have unlimited owners from anywhere in the world. Also, running an S-Corp means you have to run payroll to pay yourself that reasonable salary, which adds a layer of administrative work and cost. So, if your business is just starting out and not making a ton of profit yet, the simplicity of a standard LLC might be better. The costs of payroll might outweigh the tax savings. So, what's the bottom line? A standard LLC is great for its simplicity and liability protection, especially when you're just getting started. But once your business starts generating significant profit, let's say over $40,000 or $50,000 a year after expenses, that's when you should seriously consider electing S-Corp status. The potential savings on self-employment tax can be a game changer, giving you more money to reinvest in your business or put in your pocket. Of course, everyone's situation is unique. Reasonable salary can be a gray area, and state laws vary. That's why it is absolutely crucial to talk to a qualified CPA or a business attorney. They can look at your specific numbers and help you make the right call. This video is for educational purposes, not legal or financial advice. I hope this breakdown helped demystify the whole LLC versus S-Corp debate. It's a big decision, but understanding the core differences is the first step to maximizing your profits. If you found this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more tips to help you run a smarter business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.